What's the meaning of abstractly? Abstractly. 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 The word abstractly means in a general or theoretical way, without reference to specific examples. It can also mean in a way that is not concrete or real. For example, you might say that a philosopher is thinking abstractly about the nature of reality. Or, you might say that an artist is painting abstractly, using shapes and colors to express emotions or ideas rather than depicting a specific scene. Here are some examples of how the word abstractly can be used in a sentence. The mathematician thought abstractly about the problem, trying to find a solution that would work in general, not just for a specific case. The poet wrote abstractly about love, using images and metaphors to evoke a sense of the emotion rather than describing it directly. The painter painted abstractly, using shapes and colors to create a work that was more about feeling than about representation. I hope this helps.